Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change the video aspect ratio in Fliki. First, open the Fliki app and make sure that you are logged in. Once you are on the welcome screen, within the video tab, you can either create a new project or from the file icon at the bottom right, tap on it to open the existing one. Here you can see the list of the projects. You can choose any based on your preference. Once your project is open, look for the setting icon at the top right corner and tap on it. Within it, you will see aspect ratio. Fliki offers different aspect ratio for various platforms, including portrait, square, and landscape. You can choose any based on your preference level. After selecting, tap done, then click save. Fliki will automatically adjust your video scenes, images, and text to fit the new ratio. To review the changes on your video, you can just tap on the review icon at the top. You can just check if the text, images, and visuals are properly aligned or not. Once everything looks perfect, you can just download it through the download icon given at the top beside the review option. And that's it. You have successfully changed the video aspect ratio in Fliki. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.